Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amateur Artist, and today we're doing a brown smoky eye with an ombre lip. I've been doing ombre lips quite a lot lately, not on camera, but I figured I'll do one on camera again because you guys seem to really like them in my pictures. So if you'd like to see how to get this look, keep on watching. I'm only using one palette, and that's Jaclyn Hill's Morphe palette. Morphe 35 Dream Colors. So it's only one palette, but you can use any browns you want to get this look if you want to. So I hope you guys enjoy. Keep on watching. Hey guys, I'm going to start off by priming my eyes using Maybelline's Cover Stick Concealer. This will help keep the colors in place and also brighten them. All the shades I'm using is coming from Morphe's Jaclyn Hill palette in 35 Dream Colors. To set my concealer, I'm using the shade Silk Cream and brushing this everywhere I place the concealer. To highlight my brow bone, I'm using the shade Beam. For the crease color, I'm using the shade Creamsicle, and I'm using a fluffy brush to blend the shade out into my crease. Adding to my crease, but a little bit under Creamsicle, I'm using the shade Pookie with a smaller, fluffy brush. With this shade Roxanne, I'm adding this a little lower than Pookie. These shades together give a transitional appearance and will all come together in the end. I am now taking Mocha and packing this onto my eyelid. Taking a medium fluffy blending brush, I'm going to blend Mocha out to get rid of any sharp lines. Going back to Creamsicle, I'm going to blend this out onto my lower lid to about a quarter of the front of my lower lid. I'm doing the same with the shade Pookie. Going back to the shade Mocha, I'm going to blend this out at the outer end of my eye, rounding it around my eye and blending it onto my lower lid as well. Now using the shade Beam again, I'm going to put this around my tear duct. Taking the shade Abyss, I'm going to take an angled brush and tight lining my top lid. For mascara, I'm using L'Oreal's Telescopic Mascara in black and shuffling this through my lashes. For falsies, I'm using Kissed Lashes and Page Boy. For the first shade of lipstick, I'm using Urban Decay's Lipstick and Liar. I am now taking Kat Von D's Requiem Lip Cream and placing it on the center of my lips and blending it out. And that is how you get this look. It is very simple to follow, I hope. And it's, like I said, it was only one palette. And if you don't have this palette, you can use any bronze you want. You can still get a brown smoky eye with any bronze you want. Or you can try to match up the colors as close as possible. There are a lot of palettes that have browns in them, so it's not that hard to get palettes with browns. And I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like to see more makeup videos, and I hope you have a wonderful day.